What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the PlayStation 5 console cover from PlayStation themselves. Now this is the Midnight Black color edition, so if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. Let's begin by getting right into the unboxing. So nothing unusual with the unboxing. You get the back cover plate and the front cover plate with the PlayStation logo up top, and you also get the instruction manual as well on how to install it on your PS5. When it comes to first impressions, I love the sleek black design of these cover plates. While it is made out of the same matte plastic as the white cover that you got with your PS5, as you can hear, it's still the same plastic cover, but with the black color, it just makes it look so nice and sleek and clean. So now let me install it on my PS5 so you can see what it looks like. So this is what the black faceplate looks like installed on the PS5. I also included what the white plate looks like on the PS5 as well, so you can get a better look between the two. Now that you've seen what the black plates look like installed on the PS5, let me know your thoughts down below. What's your preference, the white plate or the black plate? Now moving on to my thoughts and why I purchased this. This goes for $55 on PlayStation's official website, and when it first was announced that these were coming out, I was super excited because I prefer black over white any day of the week. And the reason why, the white ones that I already have that came with the PS5 already began getting dirty. Even though I don't even touch them, they're just getting black, some kind of dust. I think it's from the fans internally, and they're getting dirty very quickly. And that was bothering me. And with these black ones, they're still gonna get dirty, but it's not gonna be as easy as it is to see that dirt with the black cover plates. Another reason I purchased the plate covers from PlayStation themselves is the cutout for the PlayStation logo. A lot of the companies out there that are selling, the PlayStation covers, most notably there is the company called D-Brand, and I heard only good things about that company. They sell excellent quality covers for the PlayStation 5, but my one issue is it didn't have the cutout, like I mentioned, for the PlayStation icon, which was very important to me because, as you can see, I already utilized the PlayStation opening, that icon opening, to install a retro decal behind it to give it that classic PlayStation look. So this was my unboxing and review of PlayStation's official PS5 cover plate in Midnight Black. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.